It's the Ivan Simonov comedy show with wontkins, Koopa girl, and ShyGal.
Come on, friends! Come on, friends! The Ivan Simonov Business Club is officially come to order. I'll have a medium pizza, half marshmallow, half pepperoni. What? I assumed was called to order.
I think he meant the meeting was about to begin.
Oh, no pepperoni.
Poor wontkins.
First up, we need to talk about
ShyGal, are you alright? I'm fine, Koopa girl.
She has the hiccups. Hold your breath, ShyGal.
Okay, I will. That never works. You have to hold your breath and hop on one leg. I'll try. How am I gonna get rid of my hiccups?
Who told you that's secured, ShyGal? You need to... Boo! Try standing on your head.
Alright. I will try to balance. Ow! It's not working again. Oh well.
I'll take some water.
How are you feeling, ShyGal? I'm cured! My hiccups are gone!
Cured.
Guess I will have to fix my friend's hiccups now.